Hey everyone, welcome back to Fortunes Forward. So, you've built a money system. You've invested your first 100. You've even started making extra income on the side. But now you're wondering, what happens if the economy crashes? What if inflation wipes out my savings? Or worse, what if everything I'm building just disappears? Take a breath. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your money and grow it, no matter what's happening out there. Recession, inflation, layoffs, you'll have a plan. So if you want peace of mind and long-term growth, hit that like button. Let's get into it. Let's start with the truth most people ignore. The economy goes in cycles. Boom, bust, repeat. Sometimes you'll see stocks skyrocket. Other times, prices go up, jobs get shaky, and fear takes over. If you build your finances assuming everything will always go right, you're setting yourself up for disaster. We don't do that here. At Fortunes Forward, we prepare for the storm before it hits. Because when you're ready, economic downturns become opportunities, not emergencies. Let's break this down into 3 levels of protection. Short-term shield, your emergency fund. This is your safety net. Have 3 to 6 months of essential expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. Not in the stock market, not in crypto. This money needs to be boring, safe, and accessible. Why? Because if you lose your job or face a big expense, you won't need to go into debt or sell your investments at a loss. It's not sexy, but it's powerful. Mid-term armor, smart diversification. Never put all your money in one basket. That includes individual stocks, one country's market, or one type of asset. Instead, spread your money across index funds like the S&P 500 or global ETFs, or terrestrial, which hold up well in downturns, or assets like REITs or gold, depending on your risk. And if you want, a tiny slice in crypto or innovation stocks, but only what you can afford to lose. Diversification means one part of your portfolio can fall, while the other parts hold steady, or even grow. Long-term strategy. Focus on cash flow plus growth. Here's what most people miss. Wealth isn't just about how much you have, it's about how much keeps coming in. If you have income streams like dividends, rentals, or side businesses, you're protected. Even if prices rise or markets dip, money is still flowing in. So keep investing in dividend-paying ETFs, digital products or businesses, skills that increase your earning power. That way your money keeps working even when the economy doesn't. The best investors don't just survive economic uncertainty, they grow during it. Here's how you do that. Stay calm when everyone panics. When markets crash, people sell. That's when you should be buying, if your core finances are secure. Stocks go on sale. Fear creates opportunity, but only if you've built the foundation first. Keep investing through the cycle. Use dollar cost averaging. Set a fixed amount to invest monthly, rain or shine. This evens out your purchase price over time and removes emotion from the equation. Upgrade your skills, not just your assets. The most inflation-proof investment? You. Learn high-demand skills, improve your career options. Build something that earns money, whether the market is up or down, because no one can tax, crash, or inflate away your creativity and drive. So let's recap your economic survival kit. Emergency fund? Check. Diversified investments? Check. Cash flow streams? Check. Long-term mindset? Double check. Now here's your action step. Open your portfolio. Ask, am I protected? Am I diversified? Am I consistent? Then pick one small thing to improve this week. It could be topping up your emergency fund, setting a recurring investment, or learning a new skill. Because your future self won't care what the economy did, they'll care what you did about it. If this helped, month to protect your money. And don't forget to subscribe to Fortunes Forward and hit the bell, because in the next video, I'll show you how to level up your income again, this time by turning skills into real leverage. Thanks for watching. And remember, you can't control the economy, but you can control your plan. See you next time.